Okay, what's the central atom going to be? Carbon, right? All right, that sounds good. So we do carbon, 4 dots. And then we're going to put, what's another potential central atom? Yeah, nitrogen. So I'm going to put the nitrogen next to it. All right. And I'm going to put the 2 dots over here, just kind of away from everything else in case we need double or triple bonding. So we'll kind of line that up. And in your head, you can think, okay, I know this is going to form a bond, right? So you can even write that one, because there has to be one bond between the carbon and the nitrogen, or between these two. I mean, it could be rearranged a little bit, but that's what we're going to do first. And then in your head, I would think, well, what if we bonded up here and made a triple bond, right? Would that work with looking at what options we have from over here? And yeah, that would definitely work, because we only have one more thing, and this only needs 1 electron. So the fluorine could go over here and then form a bond there. And then we can see, all right, a triple bond would definitely work. Okay? Now, let's go over the other part. So the AXE for this, what would that be? Good, AX2, and what's the shape for that? Good, triatomic linear. All right, and the angle? 180. Does that look pretty good? Yeah, it looks pretty good. So you wouldn't have to rewrite this one, all right? Now, if it asked for like what the final looks like, you could redraw it real nice looking. But for us, we're not gonna really need that for figuring out everything else, because it already kind of looks that way, all right? We're not gonna need it for the polarity. Okay, so we have this. Is there any hybridization for? Yeah, this one's gonna be SP, all right? Whenever you have AX2, you think SP, all right? And we got everything else. All right, we're up to polarity. Carbon's 2.5, nitrogen's 3.0, and then fluorine is 4.0, right? All right, so what's the most electronegative atom? Yeah, that 4.0. So if we kind of look at this, it's kind of going in this direction, 1.5, right? But there's also a pull in this direction of 0.5, right? So now if we kind of simplify these two, what's the overall pull? Yeah, towards the fluorine, and by how much? 1.0. Yeah, so that works, right? So that means it's going to be polar, and the fluorine's going to be slightly what? Negative. Yep, slightly negative, and the nitrogen is, yeah, going to be slightly positive. All right? So we just kind of look towards the ends and figure out the difference, and that gives you the 1.0 as well, right? So that works out. All right, so we got the polarity, sigma and pi bonds. Okay, how many sigma? Yeah, we have 2. 1, 2 sigma, and then how many pi? All right, because now we have a triple bond. So those are going to be our pi, those are going to be our sigma, and that's pretty much that.